This is our new project. Budget project. So we need to repair this. Replace the door. That door is too bad. No point repairing it. Get a second-hand one. I'm going to check online, see is there one around. Couple of scrapes around here. Nothing too bad. Another little dent there. Nothing too bad. Oh, guys, wait till you see this back door. Oh, Lord. Big dent. Another big dent. Looks like there was a previous repair done there at one stage. Again, look, we can get it fixed. Same again. Dent, dent, moss, more scrapes. We have a back door here. As you can see, it's not lined up very well. Something wrong. More, oh, do not open. Look at that. Maybe, yeah, will I, won't I? I will. It has to come off. Oh, it won't come off. Usually they say do not open to a car that the door's going to fall off. So there doesn't seem to be any fear of that happening here. Okay, that's for another time. Right, back to the project in hand. Fuel cap. More dings and dents here. Now as you can see, this van now has a set of 20-inch alloy wheels in it. They came with the van. So we're going to put in a new shocks, new suspension, make sure it's all okay mechanically. We're going to get the van DOE'd. Before we can get it DOE'd, we obviously must make sure that all the doors open and close correctly. So that's our first job. Let's get the van ready for its DOE. I now have the door panel off. This panel and door are full. We're going to have to get this door off somehow. Maybe even get the grinder out to cut it off. But we need to get this door off, figure out what the problem is, get it fixed, get a new one on it. Let's go. I have no idea why it says do not open, because it will not open. I've checked here, can't see what the problem is, so further action is required. Showtime! Safety first, guys. Goggles over goggles. Now, the fingers crossed, find 2 blue doors. Right, I probably will get them, but I really hope they're blue, which will really help things when we go to paint the van. There's one available in Tipperary. €400. €400 for a door, you know. Volkswagen did a great thing. All the vans of 2004 all the way through to 2020 have the same door. That van door is blue, it's the right door, but it's from a 2018 model, so he wants to charge a 2018 price. So back to the drawing board.
"2,000 years later."
One has just gone up 2 days ago. I'm going to give this fella a call. Fingers crossed he has the parts. It says here he has them, so fingers crossed. Yeah, I'll be there before 5 o'clock. Okay, thank you. Bye, bye, bye. Lads, we have sourced 2 doors and the driver's seat. The bits that we needed to get the van finished, ready for paint. So we're going to get those, and we'll worry about the other bits like the coffee cup holders and the touring seat and a couple of other bits in a later stage. But let's concentrate on getting the van ready for test and paint. That wasn't too bad a drive. We have a driver's door and a passenger door. Now, as you can see, well, a bit dark in here, but as you can see, they're the same color, which will cut down a lot of the work. So let's get these fitted. Let's see how it looks. This build is a budget build, as I've mentioned before. So everyone who wants to build a camper, especially a day camper, is really going to want to see this finished. So don't forget to like and subscribe. As I said, we have loads to do to this van, and this is only the beginning. That wasn't too bad. We now have the doors stripped down. Next is to get the door off the van, replace it with our new one. This won't be rebuilt until the van is painted again. So today, if we just get the door on, we'll be doing quite well. That should be the final adjustment on this one. Look at that. Looks a lot better. Yeah, all gaps are good. The guys upstairs are making a new program for CNC cut furniture that can be removed and put in a matter of minutes. It's going to sit in the back of the van, and it's going to pull out, it's going to open up into a bed, so you can go to your festivals when they open back up again, you can go surfing, you can do whatever you want. And on Sunday night, when it's time for work for Monday morning, you take it all out, throw your tools back into the van, bang, there you go, happy days. That's it for today on our budget camper build. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting footage on our build. Peace out!